Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Despite the things that Tirelo has been saying on the previous episode of Izingane Zesthembu, where she was basically agreeing with Uvuyoazi, saying that if he could do it to this one, whomst am I? Girl puts up this video, and when I saw this video, I'm just like, this girl, Tirelo, one thing about Tirelo, she is a Kwan girl. And listen, I don't foresee anytime soon this girl leaving Umpumelelo. Listen to this, or rather watch this clip, guys, and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
You don't want to be skorobo somuntu wesilisa. You know, you don't want to uya-exita kodwa futhi uyabuya ngoba ukadeli nananani. Dela nje.
So for some of you who don't understand the language well, what it basically means in a nutshell is that you should not leave a relationship so long as you are still into a guy. She says that you should not, or the girl in the video, which is Ulatongo, is basically saying you should not be a man's trash. You should not leave a relationship while you're still into a person, and then you're going to be doing the up and down, getting back with him, breaking up with him, getting back with him, because clearly you're not over him. Date him, get over him, not date him till you get enough of him. And by the time you get to break up with him, you know very well you're not going to come back because you have had enough. You have had enough. And I'm just like, this just goes to show this girl is basically Tirelo for me. Tirelo is indirectly saying that, listen, I can hear what you guys are saying and all of that, and I can see what you guys are saying too. I am not disagreeing with you guys, but listen, you guys, I still have feelings for this person. I still love this person, and because I still love this person, I am going to continue to be in a relationship, because I'm not going to lie to myself where I exit a relationship just because of what people are saying or just because of what I'm seeing, whereas I love the person, and then I'm going to be in this to and fro thing where I'm getting back with the person, breaking up with the person, getting back with the person. And listen, I love it for her. I'll tell you why I love it for her. You guys, life is too short. Life is too short. Personally, guys, I don't agree with that advice for myself. For myself, listen, I am a very focused hand, and I am not about that business. I will communicate to my heart and tell my heart, listen, you will learn to unlove that person. But there are people who are not like me, people like Abo Tirelo. They don't want to live their life with regrets, you guys. And that's why if you are that type of person, it's best that you be in a relationship. Satisfy yourself till your heart gets full. But one thing you must know about going along with that type of mindset into relationships is that if you get burnt, you get burnt. Do you understand what I'm saying? And chances are you're going to get burnt by the very same thing that you are seeing. So for an example, with Tirelo loves Umpumelelo, you guys. She has never shied away from that, despite the controversial things that people have been saying about Umpumelelo, despite the controversial things he says about himself. She still comes here on these social media streets and she still says, yes, that's my man. Yes, I love him. Yes, that's my baby daddy. She is still head over heels over him. Like the stuff that he does here, she'll speak, she'll say that, no, I'm not for this, and speak about men, Abafana, the boys and all of that. But she's still with her man. Despite that, she's still with her man. And listen, if that is your truth, if she believes, if that is really her truth, then let her date Umpumelelo till she gets tired of him, till she feels that no thing right. But at the moment, Ukal is saying, Wuti, her heart is still in it. And for as long as her heart is still in it, she is not going to rob herself of enjoyment up until it gets to wherever it gets to. But anyway, you guys, tell me, what is your thoughts around this whole thing about, Latongo's advice? Basically, do you believe in dating a person up until you feel like you satisfied with them? Or are you like me? Are you like the type of girl when you can see This situation is not bringing life and peace for you. Whether you love the person or not, you're willing to put yourself first and leave everything and leave the person. Tell me what you guys think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.